So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to define your curls and reduce shrinkage. I wanted to speak on the topic of shrinkage because I find that it's the most frustrating thing about our curly hair, and it really needs to be talked about more often on how to reduce it, and this is exactly why I'm making this video, to introduce the shingling method. So before I speak more on the topic, I wanted to talk about what I'm doing in the video right now. So as you guys can see, I took my Aussie shampoo and I'm applying it to my roots. Make sure that when you guys are shampooing your hair, you're not leaving the shampoo on the surface of your hair because it's your scalp that needs to get cleaned. Now I'm gonna wash out the shampoo. So I'm gonna be using Quench leave-in conditioner to detangle my hair. I don't really do anything too complicated. I just take the product, rub it on my hands, and then go in a back and forth motion with my hands. So now I'm going to show you guys how to quickly detangle your hair. So I take my section and then I detangle my ends and then I work my way up. Detangling your ends first will save you a lot of pain, guys. Trust me, I'm talking from experience. And this is what my hair looks like fully detangled. So to do the shingling method, I'm going to be using the Duke's Big Papa Gel, aka the best gel in the whole entire world. The shingling method is pretty straightforward, not too complicated. So I took my section and I applied some gel, and then I quickly detangled the ends of my section if needed. And then of course I added some more gel to my section. And then this is the part where you take your hands and then you start raking your section. I added a little bit more gel. So now I'm going to split my section into multiple sections just to train my hair into what I kind of wanted to do. The shingling method enhances your natural curls because it doesn't manipulate your hair in any way, it's just smoothing your hair. It's simply detangling your hair and then smoothing each section. It doesn't involve any twisting or high manipulation. This is the best technique to do if you would like to see your natural curl pattern, or B, if you want less shrinkage, or C, if you deal with a lot of frizz. The shingling method is smoothing the gel onto your section with your thumb and index finger with no manipulation whatsoever. I really do think that this is the best and most effective way to reduce shrinkage. This is the first time that I had done the shingling method, and by the end when my hair was finished, I was so surprised of the length that I was seeing. Because whenever I style my hair, I normally do finger curls or just that type of motion really, and my hair shrinks up a lot. And one thing that I noticed too is that the shingling method resembles a lot like a twist out. So now I'm going to add some water to reactivate my curls. The shingling method to do the whole head doesn't really take that long. This took me about an hour and a half, which is normal for me, but yeah, I really like this style and I will definitely continue to do it. Generally, when I style my hair, it falls above my eyebrows, but with the shingling method, it falls right beneath my eyes, which is crazy. I honestly just love the shingling method, like honestly. If y'all made it this far into the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. And y'all, this is what my hair turned out to look like. I really love the finished product and I hope you guys do too. But anyways, this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.